Hello and welcome to my channel, my little champions. How are you doing? All good? Okay, let's have some fun exercise today. Let's solve some fun questions today. Okay, these are English Olympiad sample practice paper for class 1 student. So let's get started. Let's have some fun time. Okay, for question 1 to 4, choose the correct option that describe the picture. Okay, look at the first picture very carefully. Which fruit is this? Do it look lemon, kiwi, dragon fruit or wood apple? Which one it is? Look carefully. Which fruit is this? It is wood apple. Option D. Okay, next one. Look at this picture and look at this arrow. It is pointing towards which part? Is it ankle, is it heel, is it leg or is toe? What it is? Look carefully. This part is, what is this part known as? This is heel. Okay? Option B. Now next picture. Are you ready for the next picture? Let's see what it is. Oh! Which animal is this? Pangolin, leopard, tiger or langur? Which animal is this? Do you know this animal? Have you seen it? Which animal is this? This is pangolin. Option A. Now next picture. Next picture, look at the arrow. Arrow is pointing towards this part of the bird face. Now what is this? Is it a feather? Is it a crown? Is it a claw? Is it a beak? Yes, it is a bird's beak. Option D. Okay, well done kids. I'm so proud of you. You're doing great. Now next, for question 5 to 6, choose the correct answer. Okay, let's get started. What is the home of a spider called? What is the home of a spider called? Hill, cage, burrow or web? Which one is correct? Out of these 4 options, wait a second, it should be B. Yeah, now you answer. Hill, cage, burrow or web? Which one is correct? It is option D, web. The home of a spider is called web. We say na, spider web, right? Okay, let's move on to the next one. Which of these words can be both a singular and plural? Men, wolves, deer or children? Both singular and plural. Which word? It's option C, deer. Okay. Now for question 7 to 8, choose the correct option for the underlined word. Okay. Let's see how we are going to do it. I followed my mother's advice. Now underlined word over here is followed. Now what it is? Is it a noun? Is it a pronoun? Is it an adjective or is it a verb? What is the followed is a, what type of is it? Noun, pronoun, adjective or verb? Think. It is a verb. Option D. Okay. Next, they are playing in the garden. Underlined word is they. What is they? Noun, pronoun, adjective or verb? What is they? Think carefully. Take your time. Come on. Yes, it is a pronoun. Option B. Well done. See, we have reached question 9 also. For 9 to 12, choose the option to fill in the blanks. Let's fill in the blanks. Okay. The first sentence, my father has to dash a flight tomorrow. What word will fit over here in this blank? Flow, run, catch or flies? Which one? It is catch. My father has to catch a flight tomorrow. Okay. Next, dash birds are building a nest. What word will come over here? The. Option C. The birds are building a nest. Okay, next sentence. The cow is sitting dash the shed. What will it be? Up, under, on or down? Which word will it be? It will be under. Option B. The cow is sitting under the shed. Next sentence. Do dash work fast. You, your, him, it. Which word will come over here? Do your. Option B. Do your work fast. Okay. Now question 13 says choose the option with correct spelling. Now what is the spelling of atmosphere among these four options? Look carefully. How do we write atmosphere? Is it first one correct or second or third or fourth? Which one is correct? It is option D. We write atmosphere like this. Okay. Now next sentence, choose the word that means same as a desert. Same as a desert. Which word is same as a desert? Leaf, sand, sweet treat or barren? It is sweet treat. Option C. Okay, next sentence, choose the opposite of serious. What is the opposite of serious? Think. Opposite of serious is jolly. Option A. Okay, we have reached the reading section. Now for question 16 to 20, look at the picture and choose the correct answer. Okay, look at the picture. You're seeing the picture. Okay, let's start. The mother and Sona are dash a cake batter. What are they doing? Cook, mixing, made, looking. What are they doing? They are mixing. Option B. The cake batter. Okay, there are dash bowls in the table. Let's see how many bowls are there in the table. How many bowls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bowls? Or how many bowls? Look carefully. It is 4 bowls. Option C. Okay, let's see what is our next question. Sona is wearing a dash cap. What is Sona is wearing? A chef cap, right? Which is the correct spelling of chef's cap? Check carefully all the 4 options. It is option D. Okay, there's a refrigerator dash them. Where is the refrigerator? Let's check. Oh, there's a refrigerator over here. So now you see. There's a refrigerator. Which option will? Behind, under, beside or on? Where was the refrigerator? It was behind them. There's a refrigerator behind them. Option A. The color dash the apron is pink. On, off, at, in. Which word will come? Off. Option B. The color of the apron is pink. Okay, now move on to the next question. Question 21 to 25. Read the passage and answer the question that follows. Okay, so let's read the passage. Okay, and then we will answer the question. Once there was a flock of pigeons that on a banyan tree. One day the pigeons were flying in search of food. They saw plenty of grain scattered around the ground. All of them came down to the ground to collect the grain to eat. But it was a trap laid by the hunter. The hunter had laid a net on the ground and all the pigeons were caught in it. The pigeons were very sad and hurt because they knew that their end was near. The leader of the pigeon asked them not to lose hope. He said that it was all of them made a joint effort, they could be able to fly away with the net. The leader was a wise pigeon and knew the power of unity. All the pigeons tried in unison and were able to fly along with the net. The hunter could do nothing but regret at seeing the pigeons fly away. After flying a long time, they reached a place where an old friend of the leader pigeon lived. It was a rat. The leader pigeon called for his friend and the rat came out of his hole. Once he understood the whole story, he called his friend. All the rats worked on the net worked on the net and were able to cut it to set the pigeon free. Okay, so it was a nice passage, or I should rather say it's a nice story. Okay, now let's answer this question. What did the pigeon see on the ground while flying? What did they see? They saw plenty of grains, right? Option A. Now, what happened when the pigeon came down to the ground? They ate the grain and flew away? No, they were caught in the trap set by the hunter. They met the rat at its home. They drank some water from the pot. No, they were caught in the trap set by the hunter. Option B, right? Okay, next question. How did the hunter react when he saw the pigeon fly away with the net? He was happy, he was nervous, he was confused, he regretted. What it is? How did he feel? He regretted. Option D. Okay, next, what is the moral of the story? Is it work alone always? Unity is strength. Greed is not good for anyone. Help others only if they help you. What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is unity is strength. Option B. Next, the rat and his friend helped the pigeon by cutting the net and setting them free, biting the net on his leg, biting the hunter on his leg, eating all the grains alone, giving them all grains to them. No, it is cutting the net and setting them free. Option A. Okay, now let's see, we have reached the spoken and written expression part of our paper. It's for question 26 to 30th. Its direction is choose the most suitable option to complete each conversation. Okay, so let's get started. Mother, do you want dash juice? Gina, yes please. Which word will come over here? Much, many, some, enough. Look carefully, which word? It is option C. Mother, do you want some juice? Okay, next one. Rahul, thanks for dash us for the trip. Lakshmi, you are welcome. It was fun. Which word will come over here? Inviting, invite, invited or invitation. Which word? It is option A, inviting. Rahul will say, thanks for inviting us for the trip. Next sentence. Seema, Reema and I dash a test tomorrow. Mother, you must study now. Which word will come over here? Has, am, was, have. Which word will come over here? It is option D. Seema, Reema and I have a test tomorrow. Next sentence. Divya, please dash on the light. Push, make, turn, open. Which word will come over here? It's option C. Turn. Divya, please turn on the lights. Next sentence. Mother, how do you feel today? Raj, I feel dash. Better, tiring, happily, sleep. Which word will come over here? It is option A. Raj will say, I feel better. Now we have reached the achiever section of our paper. For question 31 to 32, it says, choose the correct option to fill in the blank. The team played well, dash, they could win. Which will come? But, because, still or so. Which one? Option D. The team played well, so they could win. Next sentence, dash, you reached the venue. Has, do, it, do. Which one? For 32. It's for 32, it's D. Do you reach the venue? Did you reach the venue? Which one is correct? Do, has, do, did, do. Which one is correct? For 32, look carefully. I'm giving you enough time to think. Okay, there's a wrong option over here. That has to be okay. It is your option A, has, do, it, have. So which word will come over here? It is have. Option D. Have you reached the venue? Okay. Next, choose the correct spelling. Which is the correct spelling of appreciate among these four? A, B, C, D. Which option is correct? It is the first one. Option A. Okay, next, choose the correct verb from the given option. Did you pass the test this time? Which one is the correct verb? Option A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? It is option B, pass. Okay, next one and the last one. Choose the correct option to complete the conversation. Jaya, please dash. You are rude. Ratan, I am sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. Now, sorry, apologize, pardon, excused. Which word will come over here? Okay, it will be apologize. Jaya, please apologize. You were rude. Okay. So we have reached the end of our sample paper solution. Do follow our channel for more such videos, and if you have doubt in any of the question, do let me know in the comment section. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy learning.